Every bottle of premium avocado oil begins with one simple ingredient: fresh, carefully selected avocados. Their journey starts here at the processing factory.
Once the avocado arrive, they are carefully inspected, only fatty fruits factory to the next stage. Fresh avocados undergo thorough washing. High-pressure sprays remove all surface residue.
After washing, the avocados move to the preparation stage. They are carefully cut open, and the hard pits are removed. Now the clean avocados move into the preparation section. Workers carefully cut the fruit, remove the large central pits.
The avocado flesh now enters a powerful pulping machine where it is crushed into a smoothable oil that we will extract in the next stage. The avocado pulp now enters the oil extraction system, inside the machine for furtherable solid.
After extraction, the fresh avocado oil passes through a fine filtration system. This stage removes tiny particles. At this stage, the filtered avocado oil is carefully tested to make sure it meets the factory's quality standards before bottling. Institutions. And finally, the pure avocado oil is carefully bottled, sealed, and prepared for packaging. What began?
The finished avocado oil is now ready to make its journey to shops and consumers.
And that is how fresh avocados are transformed into valuable avocado oil. From the farms, through careful
Through careful processing and finally needles them every insta bottles, closer to natural product care and value.